Welcome to Super Dilly Channel. Let's have fun. Chocolate cake recipe. To make the chocolate cake, you will need 2 cups of sugar, 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of wholesome cocoa, 1.5 teaspoons with black tea powder. Okay, anyways, 1.5 baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 1.5 cup vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. Do you have all your ingredients? Great! Let's start! Now we just need a little bit of the vanilla. And it says 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So instead, we're going to be using Once you have all the ingredients, you're going to mix them together very well.
Se ve rico eso, Dilly.
We're going to add 1 cup of water.
¡Qué rico! Se ve súper bueno.
The last step is to put it in the microwave. Okay.
Okay.
Now we're going to do 3 minutes and then we're going to set it to make set for it to be ready. If you like this video, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.